Myntri ke Tnat Housing Marcos and Marak hakas nginengkong ula hukum ban pelong ya ka departmental inquiry ke ban Tohkit benya ban lab ya ke jing shisha halal ke jing Kynnoh ba ke don ke jing le Thok ha ke jing Thied ya ki sop Ïing. Ula ong bakat kum ke kai pot balayo kam sim la don setia keno ke jing le bakla henre wala kataru layo pediang ya ke jing ujol badai halor kene bala hukum ban pelong ya ke departmental inquiry.
2-3 days back, I received a complaint through my mail from HYC. They have complained that the CGI sheets which is being distributed to the people through housing department is of not quality that department is supplying. For this issue, I have verified from the departments. This is all as per the specification, as per the requirement agreed upon with the company. It is supplied to the people, and we have gone for the supply of corrugated aluminum sheet instead of CGI sheet, which is corrugated galvanized iron sheet. Iron sheets are heavier, but aluminum sheets are lighter, but better, very much better, lighter, and then lasting wise, aluminum sheets are more lasting. It's having more lasting because CGI sheets are getting rusted very soon. So therefore, the department has decided to procure aluminum sheets through proper tendering process, which has been done last 2 years back, in the year 2022, in the last government. So the company was given tendering of 24 months. So 24 months ended this year in the month of March. So therefore, we don't have any option but to give to them. And the materials supplied by them are also of good quality as per the specification. Nonetheless, this NGOs has also put up a complaint. They have gone to the storerooms of the housing department. So I have ordered an inquiry. We are going for a proper inquiry now, and only after the inquiry, I will be able to justify whether we are procured the same quality which we have already placed an order for supplied.